guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another massive school supply video. This is again a very different video from what I normally do on my channel. I normally do makeup videos, tutorials, unboxings, hauls, things like that. But around this time of the year, I get so excited about back to school supplies and items. I do huge giveaways. In case you're new to my channel, I have lots of back to school giveaways going on. And so this year I thought, why not talk about the deals that I found at different places, what has the cutest stuff, what has the best bang for your buck, things like that. So I did a part 1 of this video, tips and tricks, where to shop, ways to save money on your school supplies. And I asked you guys if you wanted to see another one because there are a few more things I wanted to get for my next up and coming giveaway. And so many of you said, yes, do a part 2. And luckily for y'all, I went in, I was like, yeah, let me just get a couple more things for the next giveaway. And then I came out with like 2 buggy loads full. So we have a lot of products to go over. I'm going to see if I can remember some of the pricing, but I'm just going to tell you where I bought everything. And then I'll leave the other video down below if you guys want to check it out as well. But yeah, anyways, really quick before we do get started, if you are new to my channel, then hello, welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to click that subscribe button. That way you can come back for more videos. I would love to have you here on my channel. And then also make sure you hit that bell notification so you're notified as soon as the videos go live. But I'm excited. School supplies just make my heart happy. So let's get started. Oh, and very last thing. None of these school supplies are actually for me. They're actually all for you guys for my giveaways. So I just wanted to point that out. I did end up like buying myself a marker and a notebook for work. But other than that, everything in this video is going to be given away to you guys. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you check out the ones that are already live. Okay. So most of this haul is going to be Target and Home Goods. So I'm going to start with the Target stuff. What I found about Target is normally I feel like their stuff's a little bit more expensive. I found most of my big deals like at Office Depot and then Home Goods and TJ Maxx. I found like the cuter items. But around the school time, Target actually takes out a whole entire section. Like they have their normal school supply section, but then they do a whole section of nothing but school supplies, and they're really good deals. They're way cheaper than the stuff that they have at the front of the store, in my opinion. So yeah, that's where all this stuff come from. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. I went way overboard. I could probably do 5 giveaways by now because I went in. Okay, let's get started. What should we do first? Okay, let's do binders first. Okay, so for my next giveaway that's coming up, and it may already be up by the time this video goes live, the book bag has like really cute pastel colors. So I wanted to kind of get like matching binders to go with that theme. So this is the first binder I picked up. It's super cute. It has like little triangles all over it. It just has like pink and yellow and green, and then you open it up and it's like mint green on the inside. This is a 1-inch binder. I think these were around like $4 a piece. The next one is my favorite. So this is the next binder. I love that it's like an ombre. It starts off and it has like, you know, kind of like a mint, and then it goes into a blue, and then it goes down into a pink at the bottom. And then the inside is green, and it has like just little stars all over it and little polka dots. But I love this. Unicorns is like so in. Unicorns and mermaids. Y'all are going to see a lot of that in today's video. All right. And then the very last binder that I got is another ombre one. I love the colors of these. This just reminds me of like the ocean or something. So again, it starts at the top into like a green and fades down into a purple. And then, oh, I guess I had it upside down. Oops. And then here's what it looks like on the inside. But they actually had not even put out the entire binder section when I went. So I am going to try to go back and get a few more. But yeah, they were like, yeah, we're working all night and putting up the binder section. So, all right, so there are those. And then I also grabbed this little mini binder, and it has little flamingos on it. Isn't this so cute? And then it has little stripes. And then they have like the little mini college ruled notebook for this. I think this is good just to keep some notes in. Sometimes I like mini stuff. I feel like it makes me write better when I don't have as much room. Let me know if you guys agree on that. Maybe I'm just crazy. But yeah, this is a super cute little set too. Okay, next thing we have are folders. Now, let me just say, don't judge me. Again, none of this is for me. It's all for y'all, but I went so crazy with folders, like ridiculous. Okay, so the first one, I did get some matching stuff. So this one has just like little unicorns and stars and clouds and diamonds to match that first binder. Then we have this beautiful mermaid one. It has like mermaid tails on it. And this actually has like embedded glitter on it. Look how freaking cute that is. So pretty. Okay, the next one has mermaiding on it, and it just has little, I almost want to say like fish scales, but again, it has like the actual glitter in the folder. And then you open it up and it looks like that. But these were so, so cute. I love like the little mermaid theme. And then we have another matching one to the binder. I actually like asked these girls that were in the store, I said, hey, can I ask y'all a quick question? Do you like think it's dumb if I have matching like binders and notepads and folders? And so they told me no. And one of the girls made a good point. It's good to like kind of have stuff matching so that way you can keep it organized by like a different subject. So you can have like, I don't know, like homework in this, and then your notes in like a notebook, and then all other stuff in like a binder. So I thought that was a neat idea. So I did end up getting matching folders and notebooks and binders. And then we have this one. This one's a little different. It has like the little gold stripes, but it has like the little confetti pieces and just pastel colors as well. And I think all these were $1, and then the mermaid ones with the glitter were like $1.50. So those were a little bit more, probably because of the glitter. And then we have this one that has just like cute little zigzag lines on it. And then I love teal, and so I picked up this little polka dot teal folder. And then last but not least, we have this one that has like little cats and cactuses. Is that not so cute? I was just seriously wilding out in Target at 10 o'clock on a Thursday. So that's my life. But yeah, here's all these super duper cute. I'm so happy with all the ones at Target. When I was in there, I was like, wow, like why did you have to like wait this long to come out with all this cute stuff? Because I wish I would have had some of the stuff in my first giveaway. Okay, what do we have next? Oh my gosh. So there's this super cute brand in Target, Yobi, I think is how you pronounce it. I like stocked up on so many things from them. So this is a little pencil case holder, and on one side it has like glitter, almost scales on it, and it says weekend, and it says mermaid vibe, and it has like little seashells and a mermaid tail. Isn't that so cute? Okay, and then the next thing I got was this cute little ruler. I think this is maybe like $4, but it has a little unicorn on the top. I mean, everything from this brand was so adorable. Okay, and then I picked up some whiteout by Bic, because I mean, you can never go wrong with whiteout, especially for mistakes that you need to erase. So this had 4 different ones in it. I think this was around $5, so not really bad. I feel like whiteout sometimes can be expensive. And then these I thought were really cool. I can't remember how much these were, maybe like $2 or $3, but it says the world's best eraser. And it's like these huge erasers that look like pencils. I know, it's adorable, right? But yeah, it comes with 3 different erasers, and it says exceptional quality for smudge-free corrections. Oh. But yeah, it has 3 different erasers, and it says it is exceptional quality for smudge-free corrections. So I thought that was really cool, and I love how they look like little pencils. All right, next thing again is from the Yobi brand. This is a screen cleaner. Is that not so adorable? You can use it like for whatever. You can use it for your glasses or your phone or your computer screen. But I just thought it was so cute because it's like a little mermaid tail. Y'all see the theme here going on. This one is another one of the screen cleaners, but this one is like a little unicorn. Oh, I love it so much. It's so cute. And then I always try to pick up a pack of these because I think they're so cute and they're just so colorful. But these are their little highlighters. I feel like they have more colors than just your average highlighter. So you have 10 different colors. Okay, and then next thing we have is 24 pack of number 2 pencils, and these are so cute. So let me see if I can take some of these out without like messing up the pack. Okay, so we have, I don't know if you guys can see, hopefully I can like hold it up. Here's what they look like. So you have some that have little lips on them, you have some that have little ice cream cones, we have pineapples, just a bunch of really cute number 2 pencils. I like stuff that's fun. I feel like it makes school more fun when you have school supplies that are more fun. And I wish I had really cute school supplies like this growing up. But me and my mom didn't know where all to shop. That's why I'm trying to like tell y'all where the cute stuff is. Then another thing from Yobi, this is one of the compass and protractor sets. So it has this little unicorn eraser, which is so cute. And then it's like a lavender with orange little protractor. And then I grabbed a little mini supply kit, and it has pineapples all over it. I think this is really awesome because you have a hole punch, a stapler remover, a tape dispenser, a pencil sharpener, scissors, staples, and tape. Like, how do they even fit all that in here? I will never know, but you have everything. Okay, then for some of the composition books, y'all, all matchy-matchy. So we have the little unicorn notebook, and I think these were like $2.50 or something. So again, really good deal in my opinion. We have the Mermazing one. Oh, it's so cute. And then last but not least, we have the one with the little mermaid tails for notebooks. And then I grabbed a ton of composition books. So we have basically almost every single one to match the folders. You have this one that has like the little triangles on it. And then this one kind of matches the one with like the cactuses and stuff. I wish I would have got the notebook like this. So you have like a little donut hole and like a cheeseburger, and they all have little faces on them. Look how cute. Then we have this one that's just like a little striped notebook. We have this one that's like, just has like little fun designs on it. And then I love this one because it's like holographic and it has little diamonds all over it. So that is it for composition books. But yeah, lots of composition books. Like I said, went in for one thing, came out with like 100. And then we have the Bic pencils. Now, I did already buy you guys some Bic pencils, but I love that the Target ones always have the extra sparkly ones, and they just have little sparkles in them. Then I'm going to show you guys some stuff I got at Home Goods. Again, all school supplies. I talked about in my video, they have the best, like more original school supplies that, you know, the person sitting next to you probably isn't going to have. Okay, so I was talking to Snow before I went in, and he had it in my mind. He was like, kids want tech accessories. They want like electronic stuff and this and that. So I picked up a pair of these Candy Res headphones. They're so cute because they're white and then they have like a rose gold on them. So I just think they're super cute. And these weren't bad. They were $14.99, so not bad at all. And I just think they're so cute and sleek and just very modern looking for headphones. And they also have noise isolation on them. That way you can hear them really well. And then I also ended up grabbing you guys one of the LED vanity mirrors by Kobe. So this will be just good for anybody that's in school to like do their makeup if you want it like at your desk or just in your room. Next thing, these make my heart happy. These are jumbo paper clips. Look how freaking huge these are. These were $3.99 a piece. And they're rose gold, and they're just super duper cute and humongous. And then to go along with those, I also ended up finding these jumbo binder clips, which I thought would be great for those huge binders. Again, look how freaking big they are. You could paper clip anything, or whatever they're called, binder clip anything. Okay, then I ended up grabbing this little set. This was $4.99. And it has pineapples all over it. A lot of one of the binders and everything I have has pineapples on it. And it has 700 loose leaf papers just for like little notes. And then these I thought were cute. So they're markers, but they have two different tips. So you have the thin tip and then you have a wide tip. And then you have all these different fun little colors. And these were $4.99. So everything in Home Goods was like, you know, under $10 for the most part. I grabbed this cute little composition notebook and it has little hearts all over it. And this one was $3.99. And yeah, it just has, you know, just like your regular kind of notebook. And on the front of it, it actually has the full year calendar for 2018. So I guess that will be great until December. And then this, okay, and the next thing is a Make It Happen Dreams, Goals, and Action Steps. This is like a little like motivational notepad. But I just thought it was so cute. And again, you don't see this kind of stuff at like your Walmart and your Target and things like that. And then to go along with that one, I almost wanted to keep this one for me at work. But this is two different notepads. So you have master plans, you have the date, the task, and then the done where you can put a check mark, and then you have notes at the bottom. And then on the back, you have Girl Boss, and it just has like, you know, your pink and white stripes. And this set for both of these was $5.99. Okay, and then very last thing I grabbed, these were just for fun because I wanted to put them in the giveaways, but these are the Salon nail files, and you have so many different fun and bright colors. So yeah, that is really going to be it for today's school supply haul. Again, very different video, but I know that you guys wanted to see it and so many people requested it, so here it was. But I love you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs it up. Make sure you check out the giveaways and the other school videos if that's what you came for to watch these. And as always, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!